Mamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper Ronwen Williams has opened up about overseas offers after he was tipped to leave the South African champions. Williams' future at Downs has been the subject of much speculation in recent months following an outstanding performance in continental and club football. However, the former SuperSport United captain has recently signed a contract extension that will keep him at the Brazilians until June 2028. In his recent interview, the Gqeberha-born player outlined his reasons for staying at the club. He said, "I think if that was to materialize, it should never happen after AFCON. I think that was the perfect moment, but nothing concrete came my way or anything my agent or club brought up. So why not stay at Mamelodi Sundowns? We are looking for great things. Being part of the FIFA World Cup, they gave me the platform. I'm happy at the club. I signed a new deal. Long may this continue. The achievements, the success, and even the heartbreak that builds us and fuels us to go even harder the next season. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm happy at Sundowns and I'm looking forward to the club World Cup. But if something happens and the club is happy, so be it." It's been amazing. I've enjoyed every moment. I don't think I've had any higher moments than this. And it's happened back to back to back. And all the sacrifices I've made, it's finally paying off. Long may this continue for Sundowns and Bafana Bafana. It's just for me to remain the person I am, being humble, working hard, and believing in God. This COSAFA honor will just give me extra energy to go even further, to take Bafana Bafana to the next level in the qualifiers, in the World Cup, to be at the next AFCON again, to be in the Champions League final. We are going to get there. All the setbacks we have, it's fueling me for even greater things to come. So hopefully this trophy and more trophies to come in the next few weeks, and the qualifiers and the setbacks of the semifinals of the Champions League. It still feels like we were a few moments away from the final. All this I'm saying to energize myself, to keep going, to push or even greater heights. Williams joined the Swanek Giants from SuperSport in July 2022 and quickly established himself as the #1 goalkeeper, displacing Dennis Onyango. Since making the crosstown move, he has so far won 3 trophies consisting of 2 league titles and the African Football League. The 32-year-old shortstopper was voted goalkeeper of the tournament after helping Bafana Bafana win the bronze medal in Cote d'Ivoire. After all these great achievements, he was tipped to move to Europe, but the transfer never materialized. It remains to be seen whether the 3 PSL goalkeeper of the season will move to Europe or not. As he explained, he has not closed the door on going abroad. Williams is said to be included in Hugo Bros' squad for the upcoming FIFA World Cup qualifiers in June. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.